How to find old iPhone photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to manage your device's features, including your Apple ID. Once you're here, tap on your Apple ID banner at the very top of the screen. From this menu go to iCloud as shown. Here, you can view your iCloud storage usage. Tap on See All and ensure iCloud Photos is on. Now, go back to the home screen and open the Safari app. Tap on Sign in to log into iCloud.com. Once signed in, tap on Photos to access. This will open your complete iCloud photo library. You can scroll through all of your backed up images and videos to find older photos that might not be on your device anymore. Following these steps, you can easily find old iPhone photos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.